Look what arrived early this month. Well, a day earlier than I anticipated. Hey everyone, this here is the February 2026 Allure Beauty Box. This is a $29.95 a month box where you are guaranteed to get at least 6 products and 3 will be full size. Lately, and by lately meaning all of 2025 and so far all of 2026, each month Allure is letting us select a shade or a scent or a formulation of a product, which I think is fantastic. Now, if you want to save money, you can pay 3 months, 6 months, or a year at a time, which will give you a discount. If you want to try one box, I do have a friend referral code down in my description box, which will, I believe, save you $10. All right, the box does come with a booklet, which will list the MSRP price for the full size. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what we got. All right, first item. Ooh, I recognize this packaging. This is from First Aid Beauty. What are you? Okay, so this is the Bronze Glow Drops, 30 ml. Even though she's small, I have a feeling this is going to be full size. Yes, wow. This retails for $28. She's quite tiny for a full size little product here. I'm going to assume this is going to be similar to like the Elf Drops or the Drunk Elephant. Let's give her a squeeze. Okay, it's a little thicker than I thought. Well, not super thick, but I don't know. For some reason, I thought it'd be super runny. And that's what she looks like. Actually, that's a really nice shade. Not too orange. And if you have a, if it's summertime, you could probably just plop it on top of your skincare routine. If you're super pale, if you happen to have purchased like a foundation that's too light, a few drops of that will make it, you know, not a wasted product. All right, I am excited about that product because for Allure, that is the closest we will ever get to a complexion product. All right, next up, what is this little guy? They have a white rating on a soft light yellow. Let me look it up in the booklet here. Okay, so this is CMP Laboratory Propolis Lipcerin. It retails for $17.90 for 15 ml. Okay, it is a lip balm. Let's get it out of the box if I can do so. I hate these boxes. They're like made of plastic and super hard to open up. Oh, it's giving me flashbacks to that natural bee honey. Oh, maybe not. Is that a protector? Oh, interesting. Okay, so there's a little hole up there and you twist. Oh, and it clicks. And nothing's coming out. Oh, there we go. Okay, so, yeah, interesting. Does it have a scent? Sort of, but kind of natural meets maybe lemon? I don't know why I'm doing that. I'm already wearing lip products. All right, so far we have a few products for a try-on. All right, next up, what is this product? Okay, so this is from CUCCIO, and it's a revitalizing roll-on cuticle oil in the scent Milk and Honey. Lately, I've been getting my nails done at the salon, getting a like shellac or gel, and I let them do all the fancy stuff. But if and when I do my own nails, well, I guess in between outings I can apply some. Let's see if it smells like milk and honey. Yeah, sort of. I'm not the biggest fan of the scent of milk and honey, nor am I a huge fan of nail oils or cuticle oils just because I'm lazy. But I could see how a lot of people might like that. Let's see what that retails for. Oh, okay. It's very affordable. So full size is $5.69. And I'm fairly certain this is full size. 0.33 ounces. Yep. So, if you are interested in a cuticle oil, very affordable. All right, what else do we get? This is the heaviest product in the box, and the box is not heavy, so that's not saying much. Oh, yes. All right, so this is from a brand called SIDIA, and this was the item we got to make our selection of. This here is a solid perfume, and I selected the scent Braless. Now, we only had 2 scents to choose from, and it's really hard choosing a scent, especially like if it's from a brand you never heard of and you're just going off of the scent profiles. But this one sounded better than the other one to me. The other scent was kind of earthy sounding, whereas this scent sounded a little more floral. So this scent is characterized as leather and vanilla. Oh, no wonder it's so heavy. Okay, so this big box produced this little guy here, but this is made of metal. OMG. Very heavy now. It feels heavier out of the box. Okay, and you lift up. Oh, I thought I would have a mirror. No mirror. And very tiny. What does this retail for? Shut up. 48 bucks? All right, let's take a sniff. Okay, I was worried that I wouldn't like it. I remember I had a similar type scent, about the same amount of product, that I got for free. If you remember, way back 25 plus years ago, maybe 30 years ago, when the internet was first starting and people were offering you could shop online, but it was still a little taboo or people were scared, companies used to entice you by tossing in a freebie. And I bought something at the Gap. Yeah, that's how long ago. I was younger and shopped at the Gap. And it was a little round tin that had a cream perfume. And it was fantastic to travel with. Because, you know, a glass bottle wouldn't break or you wouldn't spill everywhere. Okay. I like that scent. I'm glad I went for this one, even though the name Braless was interesting choice of words. Not that that offends me. It just, I don't know. Interesting choice of words. All right. What else came in this box? Oh, we still have a couple more products. All right. So we have something that's very tiny, and I'm definitely going to need my little friend. What are you? Oh, I see Espresso. Ooh, waterproof makeup remover. Who's this from? Oh, Sephora. Okay. I'm noticing Allure has been putting in little samples from the Sephora brand. So this will be interesting to try because my favorite of all time is from Lancome, and she's $52. Yeah, but worth it. I only wear waterproof mascara, so I will be able to tell if this is any good. All right, how much is full size of that product? $18 for 200 milliliters. Okay. When it's on sale for 30% off, very good deal. All right, and then the last item, ooh, what do we have here? This is from a brand called Ouzo. I'm telling you, the writing on the packaging, like the font color doesn't... I am getting old here. Oh, okay. So this is a black liquid eyeliner. It retails for $24. I am wearing black liquid liner. So this has found the perfect home. Many of you are probably going to say, I hate black liquid liner, or how boring. To me, this is makeup and super exciting. And we have 3-ish products. Lip balm is makeup adjacent. For the try-on to add with last month's product, because there's only one, so I didn't do a try-on. So yay, I'm excited. All right, let's recap everything we got in the February Allure beauty box. We got a sample of the Sephora collection waterproof makeup remover, the CMP Laboratory Propolis Lipcerin, a cuticle oil in milk and honey, the Ouzo Black liquid eyeliner, the First Day Beauty bronze and glow drops, and the SIDIA solid perfume. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I thought this was a good box. Much better than last month's box. And I will use and enjoy just about everything. Maybe not the cuticle oil, but that's just me. I love a good lip balm, and this has very unique and interesting packaging. And now that I'm reading this, I want to say Propolis has something to do with bees, maybe. I don't know. Don't quote me. As you already know, I only wear waterproof mascara. So I'm very curious to see if this actually will remove my mascara. If so, hopefully, based on price point, it is just as good as the Lancome and can save me a ton of money. I wear liquid eyeliner, so yes, I am very excited to give this product a try. I've never heard of this brand before. Leave me a comment and let me know if you have, and if so, what from Ouzo have you tried before? Now, I think of First Day Beauty as skincare. This does have niacinimide in it, which is a nice bonus feature. But I don't think I've ever tried any makeup or makeup adjacent product from them. So I'm curious to give this a try. Now, this is such an interesting product. It is super heavy, like almost too heavy. You know, you toss a few things in your purse. And I don't know about you, but my purse is overly heavy to begin with. If I throw this in there, it's going to be really heavy. But surprisingly, I am enjoying the scent. I can't believe the price point, though, for how tiny it is. But I appreciate getting... Ooh, that made a very satisfying little closure noise. What was I saying? Oh, I appreciate Allure going outside the box and being a little different with a fragrance product. I'm going to list the MSRP total in case anyone is curious what the value of this box is. If I had to guess, probably 140. In editing, the true numbers will float on screen. All right, now I want to hear from you. What did you think of this month's box? Do you get the subscription? If so, what scent did you select for the perfume? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow, as does swiping the hype button if you happen to be watching on your phone. All right, thanks everyone.